In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download images from Gemini. This process is quick and easy, so let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to open Google Gemini. If you haven't done so already, launch your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Gemini's website. Once you're there, log in with your credentials. Remember, this is an essential step to access your personalized content, so make sure your login details are ready. Once you're logged in, you'll need to open an existing chat. This could be a conversation you have ongoing or one in which Gemini has already generated images. Simply browse through your chat history and select the chat that contains the image you'd like to download. Doing this helps you locate the specific image you wish to save with ease. Once inside the desired chat, the next thing you need to do is hover your mouse over the image generated by Gemini that you want to download. By doing so, you should notice some interactive options becoming visible, which usually don't appear otherwise. This is a cue for the next step, so ensure your mouse is steadily placed over the image. Now, what you'll want to do is look out for a small download icon. Typically, you'll find this icon positioned in the upper right corner of the image. It's generally represented by a downward pointing arrow indicating the download functionality. Click on this download icon once you've located it. This action sends a signal to the system to prepare the selected image for download. Upon clicking the icon, the image should begin to download automatically. You'll notice that it generally saves in your default downloads folder, making it easy to locate. Most of the time, the image will be saved as a PNG file, which is a high-quality, widely supported image format that retains excellent clarity and details. This format is convenient if you plan to use the image for various purposes such as presentations, social media, or archiving your chat content. And that's it! You've successfully downloaded an image from Google Gemini. With these steps, you can save and manage any images Gemini generates for you. Whether it's for creative projects, personal use, or professional endeavors, having a local copy of these images can be quite handy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more how-to guides. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials that make your life a little bit easier. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments section. Have a great day, and happy downloading.